guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look that I got with the Tartelette Toasted palette. This is my first time using this palette and I really liked it. I liked how it came out and I liked how the eyeshadows worked and stuff. This is my first Tarte palette that I've ever owned and I really liked it. I liked their eyeshadows a lot. They're pretty easy to blend and I really like the shade range that they have in this palette. I love warm tones, so this is like a dream come true palette for me. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look and my first impression on this palette, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so first out of the Tarte Toasted palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Cashmere, this one right here, as my transition shade, and I'm going to be just putting that through my crease. It has a lot of kickback. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Warmth, the one right next to Cashmere, and I'm going to be putting that deeper into my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking Cozy, and I'm going to be putting that on my outer corners, kind of making it into like a V shape, if you know what I mean. You'll see what I'm doing. And I'm keeping that like very low into the crease. I'm not bringing it up high. I'm just going to be building that shade up a little and taking it into the inner part of my crease as well. And then I'm just going to be taking a clean brush and buffing out the edges so it's not as harsh. I'm going to be adding more until it's at the depth that I want it to be at. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Flame, this one right here, and I'm going to be putting that in the center of my eyelids. Then I'm just going to be taking that first brush that I used with Cashmere on it and blending out the crease. And then on a smaller brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Candle and putting that on the inner thirds of my lid. And then I'm going to be taking Fireside just to deepen up the outer corners a little bit. Just a little bit of it, not too much. I'm just blending that out again. I'm going to be picking up a little more of Cashmere and Warmth, the first two shades that we used, just to bring them back into the crease a little bit. I'm going to be taking Flame on my finger to see if it makes it show up more on my lid. Oh yeah, there we go. For the shimmer shades, I would use your finger to apply them to make them more pigmented. Just because applying it with a brush, it's not that great. You could even wet your brush and I'm sure it would work. The same as using your finger, but I just think it's easier to use your finger sometimes. And then on my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking Cashmere and Warmth again. And just smoothing that out. I just put my eye. Then on a flat brush, I'm going to be taking some Fireside and putting that really close to my lower lash line. And then just taking the other brush and blending it a little bit. I'm also going to be taking the shade Candle on my inner corners as well, just so it blends from like here into that. Okay, and I'm gonna go put on some mascara and then I'll be right back. And this is the final makeup look that I got using the Tartelette Toasted palette. And I really like this palette. The only downside to it is it has a lot of kickback when you put your brush into it, but that might just be mine or something, because I've never seen someone have a problem with it on YouTube before. So, and I love warm tones, so I really like this palette. There's definitely shades in here for all skin tones. So yeah, I really recommend this palette and I like it a lot, and I'm happy that I bought it because it's been sold out everywhere and it took me forever to get it. That's why I'm so late to do this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you made it to this point in the video, comment down below telling me what your New Year's resolution is. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.